Good morning, dear students. So we can start our class. First, we can say about the names of different parts of digestive system. Names of the different parts which helps us in digestion. Okay, so I will call those. Diya, Diya, Diya. Can you hear me, Diya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you tell me different parts which help different organs which help us in digestion? Yes.
Mouth.
First, it starts from which organ?
Mouth.
Okay. Digestion starts with the help of teeth and tongue. It is in the mouth. Okay. That is the first organ where the digestion starts. After chewing the food in the mouth, using teeth and tongue. Everybody mute your audio. Okay. Those who join now also you have to mute it. Varada, mute your audio. So with the help of the teeth and tongue, the food substance which we keep it in the mouth become broken down into small parts. That tongue helps to push this chewed food into the where it pushes this chewed food. Can you tell me, Diya? Diya.
Yes.
The chewed food in the mouth, tongue helps to push it into which organ?
Food pipe.
Food pipe, into the food pipe. Food pipe is a long tube that connects throat and the stomach. Okay, now I want to show you the image of the different parts of digestive system. A bread.
Yes.
Mute your audio. See, before I share the screen, I am once again asking, am I audible to you? Everybody?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Louder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
louder?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody mute it and listen. Okay. I
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
share the image of the digestive system. Okay. Can you see a picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody, can you view it? This picture image. Isra, Anselin, can you see this picture?
Yes.
So, here we are going to label. Once again, I want to, everybody mute your audio, okay? I want to label the different parts of digestive system, okay? Here, okay, let me take it. Okay. So, digestion starts in the mouth. Last class we discussed it. Now also I want to show you different parts of the digestive system. I hope it is clear. Can you see the picture?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After chewing the food from that mouth, it goes through a long tube. What is the name of that long tube?
Food pipe. Food pipe.
Food pipe. That is food pipe. Okay. Food pipe. After this food pipe is a long tube that connects the mouth and the stomach. This is the stomach. Can you see a bag-like organ?
Yes. Yes.
Bag-like organ. So the food pipe connects the throat and the stomach. This stomach is a stretchy and bag-like organ. Stretchy means we can, if your stomach is empty, it will be of small size, like a tennis ball. But if you eat food, it will become a football. So it can become small and big. That is why it is called stretchy. That is why it is called stretchy. Stretchy, and it looks like a bag. Understood? So which is the stretchy bag-like organ in our digestive system?
Stomach.
Stomach. Okay.
Stomach.
Okay. Everybody mute your audio, otherwise I will stop sharing because I can hear some disturbing voice. In the stomach, what happens to the chewed food when it reaches to stomach? That we want to see. In the stomach walls are becoming squeezing and relaxing movements. Squeezing and relaxing movement means it will become small, it will become large. It will become small and large. Likewise, it contracts and expands. It contracts and expands. Do you know what you mean by contracts? Contracts. Can you say somebody? Contracts.
Building.
No.
We build this.
No. It is not the
Small.
building. Okay, becoming small. Like spring. When we use force, it will become small, right? That is called contract. When we take the force from that, it will expand. The same way, the stomach walls also make squeezing and expand, relaxing movement. I will show the video regarding this one. Okay. So, squeezing and relaxing movements. Due to that, this stomach acts like a mixer grinder at your home. You have noticed the mixer grinder, right? Mixie or grinder?
Yes.
Yeah, when your mother or somebody put some food substance in it, it will grind that food substance into a paste form. In the same way, this stomach acts. When the broken food substance from the mouth, when it comes through the food pipe to the stomach, the walls of the stomach will act it as a mixer grinder and will make it into paste. Also, the stomach juices means the digestive juice which are produced by the stomach also mixes with this food substance. Then it becomes a paste form. Understood? So that paste formed food is pushed into the small intestine.
I made this one.
Small intestine. Everybody mute your audio. Everybody.
And big intestine.
Okay. See, I stopped sharing. Everybody mute your audio. Prajwal. Everybody mute your audio. Now I am going to mute you all. Okay. If you want any question, you can unmute and you can tell. Otherwise, don't unmute it. So, okay. Okay, again you can see the picture, right? So, small intestine. Can you see the small intestine? It is like a coil. It is coiled into the into our body. Okay, this small intestine, the food from the stomach, which forms in the form of paste, comes to the stomach. This stomach is also helped in digesting the food. See here, can you see a reddish brown organ? Reddish brown organ that is called liver. Liver is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. Largest and heaviest organ in our body. Okay, see, Adidev, mute your audio. I can hear your voice. Okay. See, this liver It produces a digestive juice, a liquid which helps in the digestion. That is called bile juice. Bile juice.
Bile juice.
So, liver produces bile juice. B-I-L.
Bile juice.
Juice.
B-I-L-E.
Bile juice.
G-U-I-C-E.
Everybody mute your audio. Who is saying that? And we are mute your audio. So, this bile juice also helps in the digestion of food. When the food comes to small intestine in the form of a paste, food paste, this food paste mixes with the bile juice. In the small intestine, the food paste mixes with the bile juice which is produced by the liver. So again in the small intestine, the food breaks up into some more parts. Understood? Not only that, in the when the food is in the small intestine walls absorb the useful things from the food. That is nutrients. I already told at the beginning of this class, we need nutrients from the food. As the food is now in the form of a paste, it is easy for the walls of the small intestine to absorb these substances, useful substances. It will absorb the useful substances. The remaining things are undigested food. So what all we need for our body, small intestine will absorb from it. What it is remaining? Undigested food. Okay, that undigested food pushed into the large intestine. Can you see large intestine? Can you see large intestine?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. As a continuation of small intestine, you can see large intestine also. See, when this undigested food, what all, almost the digestion gets completed in small intestine. Digestion gets completed in small intestine. So can you tell me in which organ the digestion gets completed?
Small intestine.
It is in the small intestine. Okay, because useful things are all absorbed. After that, the remaining things which are undigested, that is pushed into the large intestine. In the large intestine also, its wall, the wall of the large intestine absorb the water and some more minerals which are there, are left in the food, that also absorbed by the walls of the large intestine. Understood? So almost everything from the food, it is absorbed by the small intestine. After that, large intestine. Remaining is the waste matter. Understood? The food, from the food, what all it is absorbed by the small intestine, then again some more if it is left over, that also useful things are absorbed by the large intestine. After that, what it is remaining is only the waste matter that is pushed into the anus. That is pushed through the anus. What is this? The last portion.
What is anus?
Anus is an opening at the end of the digestive system. Anus is an opening at the end of the digestive system.
Is anus?
Sorry?
Anus.
No. Anus. How to pronounce it? Anus. A-N-U-S, but we should pronounce it as anus. Okay? So, through the anus, the waste matter in the form of solid goes out of our body. So, I hope you understood which portion it is, right? Anus. Through anus is the opening. at the end of the digestive system. Through that, waste matter which is in a solid form removed from our body, goes out of our body. Every day you should remove the waste from your body. Understood? That is, every day you have to make a habit of going to toilet. Okay, you keep do it as a habit. So every day morning after drinking hot water or hot milk or tea, you can go to washroom. Understood? So you can remove that all waste material. If you are not removing it, if you are not making it as a habit, you won't be able to do it in a regular way. So every day you have to make a habit to remove the waste from your body. If it is not removed, that waste material will cause some difficulties in our body. Okay, so I hope every day, and now also you are of the habit. If you don't have the habit, now itself you have to start it. Okay, so these are the different parts of the digestive system and its function. I hope everybody understood this one.
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask some questions. Through that, I can check it whether you understood it or not. Okay. So first one, named. I want to ask you, Jaswin. Jaswin.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaswin.
Yes.
Yes. Leia, I can see your book only. Where are you? Okay. Jaswin, I want to ask a question to revise today's portion. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, name the part of digestive system where digestion starts.
Mouth.
Very good. It is the mouth. Okay. Second question. Okay. Name the part of the digestive system. Name the part of the digestive system. See, don't move your device. Don't make disturbing sound. Name the part of the digestive system which connects mouth to the stomach. Varada. Varada.
Food pipe. Food pipe.
See, who gave the answer? I called Varada. I heard some ball sound.
Arfan.
Okay. Arfan, I will ask you. Okay. You can. I will give everybody a chance. Okay. So another one. Which is the stretchy bag-like organ? Prajwal. I want the answer from Prajwal. 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 Okay. Stretchy bag-like organ of the digestive system is stomach. Second one, Anvia. Anvia. Are you ready, Anvia? Okay. Question is, which is the largest and heaviest organ in the body? Which is the largest and heaviest organ in the body? Largest and heaviest organ in our
Stomach.
Who told that answer?
Gauri, ma'am.
Gauri Nandana. Is that answer is correct?
No. No.
Okay.
Liver.
Okay. I asked you, Iva. Iva, give me the answer.
Yes.
All others mute it.
Ma'am.
I don't want any. Iva. I think Iva's network is slow. I'll.
Ma'am, the answer is liver.
Okay, very good. Okay, the answer, largest and heaviest organ in our body is liver. So another question, who wants to answer it? Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Chris, Chris, are you ready? Chris? Chris, I can't see Chris, only I can see some shadow. Chris, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, Name the juice produced by the liver. Liver. Bile, not bill juice, bile juice. Okay, it is the bile juice. Okay, good. Another question. Juvan, Juvan, are you ready, Juvan? Juvan.
Yes.
Okay, so the question is, where does the food get, where does the digestion of food get completed? Where
Small
does
intestine.
small intestine? Very good. Okay,
Small
it is the
intestine.
small intestine. Very good. Another one. Arfan, are you ready, Arfan? Arfan. 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 Okay.
Leia.
Arfan, are you ready, Arfan?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so
Leia. Let's chop it.
see who is calling Leia? Huh?
Gauri.
Leia.
Gauri Nandana.
1 minute, 1 minute. Leia, why you are showing some pieces and all? You just sit, understand the class, listen the class. Okay? No need to show anything to anybody. Now, I want the answer from Arfan. Arfan, are you ready, Arfan?
Yes.
Question is, which is the opening at the end of the digestive system? What is the name of the organ at the opening at the end of the digestive system?
Anus.
Anus, not anus, anus. Okay,
Anus.
A-N-U-S, but you have to pronounce it as anus.
Anus.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so this much is all about
System. Digestive system.
Okay, now regarding these questions, I will send the workbook exercises. Today itself, you have to note down it. Okay, if those don't have the workbook, those don't have the workbook, they can write it in a notebook and can keep. Okay.
I will send it the WhatsApp.
Yes, surely I will send it. Leia, mute your audio. Next one. See, sometimes when you come to the school, maybe in the morning there is no problem, but after reaching home, I can see some are vomiting in the class. Am I right? Some are vomiting in the class, or sometimes they will complain to the teacher about the severe stomach ache. You all have the experience, right? You all have this experience. Yes, who is calling? Yes, tell me. Tell me. Who wants to talk? No, nobody. Okay. Arfan, mute your audio. Anselin, Arfan, mute your audio. Anselin and so you may feel stomach pain. Sometimes vomiting. Sometimes related to it, you may feel some fever also, right? Do you have the experience of this? Yes, everybody, 1 or 2 times in their life, they had experienced this.
I was small. I get it 10 times.
Okay, okay. Who is that? Adina. Okay. So at that time, what it is told when you are taken to doctor, what he will say?
Then I vomited. The doctor put some syringe in my hand.
Okay, syringe means some medicine, antibiotic, no? Why it is so? That is because sometimes the food which we eat will not go through this whole process.
That happened when I was
digest,
my
will not get digested.
hand broken.
See, Adidev,
Yes, ma'am.
mute your audio.
Ma'am.
I can hear some voice. So, when you eat food, sometimes the food we eat will not get broken down and may cause stomach pain and vomiting. This is called indigestion. This is called indigestion. Okay, let me share one screen. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Sometimes it may take time. So now we want to talk about.
Yes.
We want to discuss about indigestion. Indigestion. Digestion spelling, you know it, right? In that, what you want to add? IN also. Okay. Indigestion. Indigestion. Indigestion means sometimes the food we eat will not get broken down and may cause stomach pain and vomiting. This is called indigestion. Indigestion. Okay, digestion. Before that, IN also you want to see. So, food is. Where did the digestion start? Where did the digestion start?
Indigestion.
Sorry, where did the digestion start? Mouth, in the mouth. Okay. So, our mouth helps in digestion. Our mouth helps in digestion. See, those not muted, please mute it. I can hear a lot of sound. Don't disturb the others. Okay. The mouth helps in digestion. So, for a healthy digestive system, we must keep our teeth and our mouth clean. So, are you brushing your teeth twice a day?
Yes.
Or you are simply?
Yes.
Gauri Nandana, what are you doing there? Gauri Nandana ji, you went to sleep. What you are doing there? Don't repeat this, okay? Okay. Shivadhyan, I can't see your face. Shivadhyan, just make it, okay? So, the mouth helps in digestion. So,
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
you can't hear my voice. I think others can hear it, right?
Yes.
Yes, others can. Just check your net connection. Sometimes there will be some slow or something related. Okay. So, the mouth helps in digestion. So, for a healthy digestive system, we must keep our mouth clean. We must keep our mouth clean.
Clearly.
Mouth clean, not clearly, mouth clean. After eating food.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who is Shivadhyan? Okay, let me ask to others. Others, dear student, can you hear me? Adidev, Sapna is not there. Sapna?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Is it clear, loud?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, you have to keep your mouth clean. After eating food, you have to clean it thoroughly. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. If you are not doing that all things, some bacteria will be there in your mouth. So how can the mouth can do its part in digestion? So keep it very clean. Okay. So next we want to learn what happens if we do not eat any food. If you do not eat any food, what will happen to your body or to you? Who wants to say it? Okay. So, Arfan, okay, can you tell me what will happen if you do not eat any food?
Ma'am,
Sorry?
James will come.
You won't get any energy.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
We
Ivan.
will come. The stomach will become small.
Okay, the stomach will become small.
We will become sick.
You will become sick. You won't get any
Stomach
energy.
will become like this.
Okay. Okay. Now I got the answers. So many different answers I got. Everybody mute your audio. Okay, Anseline, Arfa,
Ma'am, our eyes became like this.
did they mute your audio? So if we do not eat food,
Your
our
stomach will
body will
empty.
not get energy. Our body will not get nutrients and energy. It needs to work. Understood? For to do work, our body needs the energy. Hmm? We will feel tired quickly. Our body will become thin and weak. Am I right? Hmm? And we may become sick.
Yes.
Okay, we will become sick. We will feel tired.
Yes.
Our body will become thin and weak, and we won't get any energy. So to get energy and to become healthy, what you should do? You have to eat food. Okay, so up to that, I'm going to stop it today. Next class, we will continue with the other portion. Okay, till then, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.